Understanding protein sources. A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating and essential topic in nutrition and health: protein sources. Understanding what protein sources are and why they're important is crucial for anyone learning English, especially if you're interested in health, cooking, or biology. Let's dive in and learn more about this topic. Before we delve into protein sources, let's first understand what protein is. Protein is a macronutrient, which means it's one of the main nutrients your body needs in large amounts. It's made up of smaller units called amino acids. Think of protein as a building block for your body. It's essential for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and hormones, and supporting overall health. Protein plays a key role in our body. It's not just about building muscles. Proteins are crucial for cell repair and growth. They help in repairing damaged cells and in the growth of new ones. Immune function. Proteins form antibodies that help fight infections. Energy. When other sources are low, your body can use protein for energy. Understanding the importance of protein helps us appreciate why it's vital to have good protein sources in our diet. Protein sources are foods that are rich in protein. They can be classified into two main categories. 1. Animal-based proteins. These include meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. They are considered complete proteins because they contain all the essential amino acids. 2. Plant-based proteins. These include beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and some grains like quinoa. They are often termed incomplete proteins as most don't contain all essential amino acids, but combining different plant proteins can provide all the necessary amino acids. It's important to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of protein sources. Here are some tips. Include both animal and plant-based proteins in your diet. For vegetarians or vegans, focus on combining different plant-based proteins to ensure you're getting all essential amino acids. Moderation is key. Too much protein can be harmful, so it's important to balance it with other nutrients. And there you have it. Understanding protein sources is a step towards a healthier lifestyle and a great way to enhance your English vocabulary related to health and nutrition. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, a balanced diet with good protein sources is essential for a healthy body and mind. Stay tuned for more English learning content, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay healthy and keep learning.